Alrighty folks, welcome back. I got one more video to record. It is a Jdtco tool haul video. It is mystery boxes. Over the past month I've bought a few, and I'm guessing they got some really good items in them, but we'll go ahead and dip right in onto them. Again, these come from Jdtco. If you want to check him out, I'll drop his link down in the description below for you to get more info on him. In one of the mystery bags, I got the Aircat pneumatic knife. Let's see what this little thing looks like. It is actually a pretty decent looking little knife. It's got a nice little blade on it, comes with serrated and straight. I've got two of the same packages just like this, so I'm not going to open the other one. Also, that came in that same package was a Vim Tools 1/4" hex magnetic hand driver and bit kit. Vim Tools is a pretty good brand. I don't have anything negative to say about Vim. I believe they're made in Taiwan or something like that. I could be wrong. If y'all know where Vim is made, please drop it in the comments down below. This little bit kit comes with 2 Phillips, 2 flat, and 2 Torx bits with the little palm little ratchet thingamadooger with the little palm ratchet. I mean, it's not a big one at all. Oh, wait a minute. They're gonna like this part. Look where it's made. Stamped USA. So we just found out our mystery. This particular little thing is made in the USA. Stamped USA. I got 2 of these little bit kits. As you can see, there is the second knife. Same type of knife. It is Aircat pneumatic. Nice little knife to have. And it did come with a second 1/4" bit kit and palm ratchet. So that's all for that one. I did order some separate products. This was not a mystery envelope. This is something he have made himself or had made for him. They are universal plier things. He's got green and blue. If you don't like the color of your plier handles, you can get these from him and replace them. Universal plier handles, 4.5 inches by 3/8. They are made in the USA. It also does come with instructions to show you how to put them on pliers. We'll be testing these out within the next few days or so, I'm guessing. I do have a lot to do in the next couple of days. So we'll see about getting them on a set of pliers and testing them out. Again, I do have the green ones and I do have the blue ones. But that's all I've got for this one. If you like what you just seen, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. And go check out Jdtco. I'll drop his link down in the description below for you to check out his site. He does have a YouTube channel. He's on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and he may be on a few other little platforms. He does have a storefront in Tonawanda, New Jersey. You can call his store anytime, Monday through Friday, and sometimes Saturday, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. But until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning, and the Raging Cajun will catch you on the next one. Thank you and have a good day.